Hey, my pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and this is just a quick look at my Paul Robeson tomato I've been growing indoors, hydroponically. And that reminds me, it is time for the WIG 2024 collaboration hosted by myself and GT Junior Grows in Alaska. It was lots of fun the last 2 years. Year one was won by Auntie Ellen, and the second year was won by You Grow Row, and it was a lot of fun. The rules are really simple. You can grow anything, any style. It has to be from seed only. No starts. Nothing you started out in your Zone 9 garden. Steve, not gonna say I don't want to sing that, but you know your warm garden, because this is about indoor growing over the winter. And why do we do it? Because a lot of people, like in my zone, the outdoor garden is closed, and so they don't grow anything. Maybe lettuce or something inside, but I'm just showing you you can grow a tomato plant that is huge inside, and it's a lot of fun. Especially you get the winter blues, the lights and the green and the flowers will cheer you up. Anyway, the again, like I said, must be grown inside your house, not outside in a greenhouse in you know Florida or someplace hot. That's cheating. The intro videos must be up on December 1st, 2024. The final video will be April 4th, 2025. And you, the audience, will vote, and that will close April 18th, 2025. And of course, that will be judged by myself and GT Junior Grows Alaska, the co-host of WIG 2024. And we call it 2024, even though we're going into 2025. This is the winter of 2024. And that's when we're going to be growing these plants. It's United States only. I shipped some packages to a different country that was close, and it was a sticker shock. So I definitely won't be doing that. That's G2 Junior might do the Amazon thing or something, but that's up to him. But you can participate for bragging rights. And again, the point of this is not for the prizes. We're not trying to get watch hours or anything like that, because I'm not monetized. I'm not sure if GT Junior is monetized or not, but we're doing this because what we want is for people to grow inside their house during the winter and have fun. As a matter of fact, that is the final rule, is have fun. He will be showing something really cool, a really cool build. I built this. This is just a rack system that I built out of electrical conduit and connectors. It was really simple. I did mess up this grow, unfortunately. It should have had tomatoes already. It has been flowering and whatnot, but because I'm remodeling my house, I put the light up high when I was done last season, and I was supposed to lower the lights when I started the plant and then raise the light as it grew up. But you can see how tall and leggy it got trying to reach to the light, and so it's putting all its energy into that and not into production, which I know. And so that's why I'm not mad at the plant for not giving me anything right now, but I will help it along. This side was the same as this side, and what I did was I cut everything down, and you can see that all the cuttings that I took off here are already producing roots. So if I choose to, I can grow some more plants in like a different system that I'm building. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to cut all these down. And then if I don't decide to keep this build growing, because I'm not giving it enough attention that I'm supposed to, because I'm going to be building a ton of different racks and systems for the winter time. Because now I have some room. I'm getting a lot of construction stuff out of my man cave, and it's giving me room back so I can actually organize and get some good things growing. So I know I'm not going to spoil what GT Junior is doing, but he's doing something really cool. So you got to check his channel out, and he'll be talking about that. I'm going to be doing a bunch of cool, easy DIY type builds. So you could like take a ball jar, an old juice bottle, anything, and start growing. You'll find a sunny window, drop a seed. Just things like that. I'm just going to show how easy it is, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So once again, join us for hashtag WIG 2024. There again are the very simple rules, and have some fun. I think it's going to be awesome.